Cohen, you ready to do your letters? Let's start with this one. What's this one? Yeah, M for Mama for M. And what's this one, Cohen? Z for Z. Good. And what's this one? Yeah, you pant. For H. Good boy. And what's this one? Good boy. For A. And what's this one? Good. S for S. And what's this one? Say it louder, we can't hear you. What's this one?
That.
Yeah, Dada for D. And your new one, what's this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, good boy for Y.
Yeah.